So, you want to make weird noises like these? Okay, so to get started, find a sample that you want to mess with. I'm going to be using this piece that I've made a couple years ago. And what we need is a jank auto-tune plugin. I'm going to be using kerovee, looks like this. And one thing to do before we get to the sauce is to pitch up the sample beforehand, just so kerovee can actually detect it. Next up, we're going to be making a random pattern using FL Studio's MIDI out plugin. Also, something to note is low notes give stutter, higher notes give screech. Let's see how it sounds. Cool, but we can do more with this. At this point, it should sound much more chaotic. There's another thing that I like to do to make it really, really chaotic. And first I have to record this. Alright, so once that's printed to audio, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting this to Stretch Pro. We're going to max out the pitch range, and we're going to attach this to two random LFOs. One for the pitch, one for the formant. And once those are linked to those LFOs, it just sounds really, really chaotic now. Neat.